Good morning children. Problems based on section formula. Find the coordinate of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 4, minus 3 and 8, 5 in the ratio internally. So diagram already drawn here. From there you can understand what is the meaning of the question. That is the line find the coordinate of the point. Coordinate of the point R we have to find, which divides the line joining the point 4, minus 3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally. So 3:1 is the ratio 3:1 internally. So we have marked the 3:1 in the diagram. Now you see what we have to calculate, the x, y and 4, minus 3, 8, 5 are the coordinate for P and Q respectively. And what is the ratio is given? 3 and 1 only. So we have to write by section formula we have to use. So we'll start the solution now. Rx, y divides the line segment AB joining the points PQ we have taken. Okay, P 4, minus 3 and Q 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1. So by section formula, what we can write for Px, y. Rx, y equal to R value only. By formula it is P, but now we have used R only. Rx, y equal to, first we have to write the formula, m2 x1 plus m1 x2 divided by m1 plus m2, m2 y1 plus m1 y2 by m1 plus m2. Okay. Now m2 x2 means we have to write the second ratio. So second ratio is 1. Now when we are taking the second ratio, the coordinate we have to take from first point, that is 4. So we are writing x, so we are writing x value, that is 1 into 4. So remember this one, when we are taking the second ratio, we have to take the coordinate first. So 1 into 4. Now plus sign by formula. Now the first ratio, that is 3 into, if you have taken 3, we have to go for the other side ratio. Therefore 3 into 8. What is the total ratios here? 3 plus 1. Similarly, if you understood the x value, you can write the y also. From 1 we are starting, 1 into, what is the value for y we have to take? Minus 3 plus 3 into, 3 is the ratio from this side. So the point is from the other side, 3 into 5 divided by 3 plus 1. So 1 into 4, 4. 8 into 3, 24. 4 plus 24 by 4. And 1 into minus 3 plus 15 by 4. That means it is equal to 28 by 4 and 12 by 4. So the final answer is 7, 3. So what is the conclusion? R 7, 3 divides AB, so divides PQ in the ratio 3:1. Point P divides the line segment joining A 2, minus 5, B 5, 2 in the ratio 2:3. Name the quadrant in which P lies. So P divides AB. So P is the middle point and A and B are there. A, the point is given 2, minus 5, B 5, 2, and the P value you have to calculate, and the ratio it is given as 2 and 3 only. So we'll write here P x, y divides AB in the ratio 2:3. By section formula, Px, y equal to, so first formula we have to write m2x1 plus m1x2 whole divided by m1 plus m2, m2y1 plus m1y2 whole divided by m1 plus m2. Okay. This is the formula. Now without formula also we can write the answer. So how we can write the second ratio we are starting, that is 3 into coordinate of x we are writing 3 into 2 plus coordinate and ratio also 2 only, don't confuse, 3 into x value, that is 2 plus 2, that is the second ratio. So for here m1 the first ratio 2 into the coordinate 5, 2 into 5 divided by 2 plus 3. Similarly y value, so we are starting from 3 into minus 5 plus 2 into, means far away coordinate we have to take a 2 into 2 whole divided by 2 plus 3. So it is equal to 6 plus 10 divided by 5 minus 15 plus 4 divided by 5 equal to 16 by 5 comma minus 15 plus 4 means minus 11 by 5. So the coordinate are 16 by 5 and minus 11 by 5. Now one more question is asking the question which quadrant, because the x coordinate is plus and the y value is negative, so it lies on which lies in fourth quadrant. Show that A 6, 4, B 5, minus 2, C 7, minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Also find the length of median through A. So here we have to show that it is a vertices of an isosceles triangle. So that means it is based on distance formula only. But at the same time, it is asked that find the length of the median through A. That means median means midpoint only. So midpoint section formula we have to start here. In the diagram you know that AD is the median. So D is the midpoint of BC. So midpoint section formula we have learned already, that we can apply and we can calculate D only. Now after that we can calculate the length of median also. So first part is show that it is an isosceles triangle only. So which are the coordinate given, based on that we have to say that A 6, 4, B 5, minus 2 and C 7, minus 2. So distance formula we have to use here. Distance formula equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. By applying the rule we are calculating the length AB equal to 5 minus 6 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 whole square. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. So minus 1 square is 1. Minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. Minus 6 square is 36. So it is equal to 37. Similarly AC 6 minus 7 whole square plus 4 plus 2 whole square. 6 minus 7 again minus 1 only, minus 1 whole square is plus 1, again 6 square. Therefore, it is also equal to root 37 unit. Okay, AB equal to AC implies triangle ABC is isosceles. So, the first part is proved. Now, find the length of the median. Median means midpoint only. So, midpoint section formula we have to use. By midpoint section formula, coordinate of D x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So, which are the coordinate? We have to take a 5 plus 7 divided by 2 minus 2 divided by 2. So, it is equal to 12 divided by 2 and minus 4 by 2, that is 6 comma minus 2. One more answer we got. Now what is they asked? The length of the median through A. Therefore, length of median AD equal to, again distance formula only. So, A value is 6 comma 4. I will write right side A 6 comma 4 and D 6 comma minus 2. Right. Now, we have to apply the distance formula only. So, it is equal to 6 minus 6 whole square plus 4 plus 2 whole square. So, 0 plus 36 under the root only. So, the value equal to 6 unit. So, what is the median length? Length of the median equal to 6 unit. Find the coordinate of the point which trisect the line segment joining 1 minus 2 and minus 3 4. That is, a line segment is given with the joining points 1 comma minus 2 and minus 3 comma 4. That means A and B are respectively 1 comma minus 2 and then minus 3 comma 4. Now the question is a trisect. Trisect means 3 equal divisions. So, we are taking 2 points, that is P and Q, which divides the line in the 3 equal parts. So, all the 3 parts are equal, let it be 1 and 1 and 1 only. Therefore, we got now P and Q. If you take, this is the first part, that is AP, second part is PQ, and the third part is QB. So, 3 equal parts we got, that is the ratio is equal only. Now, we have to find the coordinate of P and Q respectively. So, the case 1 we are taking that the coordinate of P. So, we will take the case 1 to find the coordinate of P. Similarly, we have to find the coordinate of Q also. So, what is the diagram now? We will draw AB only here also. A, B, 1 comma minus 2 and B is minus 3 comma 4. Now, we are taking only one point this time, that is P, but here the ratio is 1, but this side the ratio is 2, because that time Q is included here, but this time we are not considering Q, we are finding the values for P only. Now, again by section formula we can write. Now, we learned two sums we already done, so you know that how to do this question. So, by section formula, P x comma y. So, here also I will write x comma y only. Now what is the condition? We are know that we know the formula. There is no need of writing the formula, we can write it directly. So we are starting with the second ratio. So when we are writing with the second ratio 2 we are starting, so the coordinate will be this side, say right, 2, then the coordinate from here, so 2 into 1, right, plus 1 into this side coordinate, 1 into the coordinate of other side, so 1 into minus 3 divided by the ratios sum 1 plus 2. So x value we have completed. Similarly y value 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 4 far away coordinate divided by 1 plus 2. So what is the answer? 2 minus 3 by 3, again minus 4 plus 4 by 3, so minus 1 by 3, again 0 because minus 4 and plus 4 is 0 only. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1 by 3 and 0. So the value of P or P coordinate of P and Q are asked. So we got a coordinate of P equal to minus 1 by 3 comma 0. So one answer is completed. Now similarly we have to find the coordinate of P. For avoiding confusion we have to draw another diagram also here. So case 2, to find the coordinate of Q. So again diagram AB, A, then B, here point 1 comma minus 2, B is minus 3 comma 4. Now we are taking the point Q. So Q divides in the ratio 1 plus 1. So this time this part ratio became 2, the other part became 1, right. So we are writing here x comma y again, right. So qx comma y divides AB in the ratio 2:1 only. So trisecting done, but according to the points we are choosing the ratios. Now bisection formula again we have to write the coordinate of PQ. Bisection formula qx comma y equal to the second ratio we are starting, then the coordinate from this side like this. So x coordinate we are writing 1 into 1 plus 2 into minus 3 divided by 2 plus 1 comma 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into 4 divided by 2 plus 1. So what is the answer we are having now? 1 into 1 only, 2 into minus 3 minus 6. So 1 minus 6 by 3 comma minus 2 plus 8 by 3. So it is equal to minus 5 by 3 comma 6 by 3. 6 by 3 further we can simplify, therefore the coordinate of Q is minus 5 by 3 then 2. This time what we should write, Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. Whereas P divides 1:2. So the first part we are incomplete here, divides AB in the ratio 1:2. So here trisecting is done, the same formula only we are using. So what is the change here? When we are taking the case of P, we are considering 1 and addition of these two ratios, 1:2. When we are taking Q, up to Q it is 1 plus 1, 2. Then after Q it is 1 is the ratio. So like that we can use. So avoiding the confusion, you must do 3 diagrams for this type of the questions. So the case 1, what will happen? We are taken the P value. Now P value we are calculating with the section formula, and we got here minus 1 by 3 comma 0. So in case your P coordinate becomes wrong, then your Q value will also be wrong only. So be careful while doing the P also as well as Q also. Now we calculated P as minus 1 by 3 comma 0, and then we applied this, then we can apply this also, P and Q also we can apply. Then you can use midpoint section formula also we can use, that is another method. So here P separately we have calculated and Q we have calculated separately. So Q when we are using 2 and 1 only we have used. Now one more method is there for doing this question, that is P when we are taking this type, P we are taken and a Q we are taken. So Q divides 1:1 formula only, right? So the P value we got by minus 1 by 3 comma 0, right? So Q we can calculate midpoint section formula. So that also I will show here. So when you are considering this diagram, Q divides PB in the ratio 1:1. So midpoint section formula, coordinate of Q x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. That means minus 1 by 3 minus 3 divided by 2, 0 plus 4 divided by 2. So minus 1 by 3 and minus 3 means LCM we should take. So minus 1 minus 9 divided by 3 into 2. Here 4 by 2, that is equal to 2 only. So here minus 10 by 6 comma 2. After the simplification it is minus 5 by 3 comma 2. So this method, what is the drawback means, if in case your P coordinate is 0, then your Q coordinate will also 0. So we have done in the previous paper, that is the previous part, that is P we calculated separately and the Q we have calculated separately. Little bit lengthy only, but there you feel it is a midpoint section formula little bit easy. But once P value wrong, then Q also wrong. Here that will not happen. P value in case happen to be wrong, you are calculating separately Q, so that mark you will get. So be careful while doing this chapter, because a little bit confusion will be there. That practice only you can rectify that one. With this today's class I am winding up. Thank you.